Pit's playing with his racetrack. On your mark, get set, go!
It's time to play. Vroom, vroom. Let's go and have a race. Vroom, vroom.
Woohoo, that was fun!
Go, go, go. The race is
Pit has an idea.
I'll pick my blue car
He'll make his own race car.
and big wheels. It's my favorite.
And he'll paint it blue.
It goes so fast and fast.
Don't forget a helmet.
Come and play outside. Vroom, vroom. It's time to play.
Vroom, vroom!
Vroom, vroom. Let's go and
The box fell off.
vroom, vroom. Prepare your cars.
Daddy has tape.
Go. The race has started now. Vroom, vroom. It's time.
Go, Pit, go!
Vroom, vroom. Let's go and have a race.
It worked!
Vroom, vroom. Prepare your cars.
Let's give Polly a try.
Go. The race has started now.
Open your eyes, Jill.
Pick my yellow car with a round and shiny light.
It's a cool new go-kart,
It's my favorite car.
but wear a helmet.
Go so fast and fast. Let's go and play outside.
It goes so fast.
Vroom,
Oh no, she lost a tire.
to play. Vroom, vroom. Let's go and have a race.
Mommy will fix it.
Prepare your cars. Go, go, go. The race has started.
Jill loves her mom.
It's time to play. Vroom, vroom. Let's go and have a race.
Watch out, Kitty.
Prepare your cars. Go, go, go. The race has started now.
Good job, Jill.
I'll pick my
Does Penny have a car?
with a horn that sounds loud.
She'll use her wagon.
My favorite car. It goes so fast and fast. Let's go and
Now she's ready to race.
vroom, vroom. It's time to play. Vroom, vroom.
Penny's slipping and sliding.
Have a race. Vroom, vroom. Prepare.
Daddy will save her.
Go, go, go. The race has started now. Vroom, vroom. It's time.
Let's have a race.
Vroom, vroom. Let's go.
Who'll come in first?
Race. Vroom, vroom. Prepare your.
Daddy did.
Go, go, go. The race has started now.
Everyone wins when you're having fun.
Ooh, 3 toy cars. Smash-'em Truck, Flashmobile, and Super Racer. Pear wants Smash-'em Truck. Blueberry wants Flashmobile. That leaves Super Racer for Pit. Let's have a race. And the winner gets a trophy. But watch out for the T-Rex. On your mark. Get set. Go! Blueberry takes the lead. And there goes Pit.
See ya!
Watch out for the wall. This is a job for Smash-'em Truck.
Hooray!
Hurry! It's the T-Rex! Blueberry, can you help Pear? Flashmobile to the rescue! Oh no! That ditch is too wide! And T-Rex is coming! Pit, can you help? Don't forget your friends! Well done, Pit! It's a tie! That means everyone's a winner! Pit is racing his black car. And Penny is racing her pink one. Who's going to win?
The black car is better than pink!
Pit looks very cool in his black car. What do you think, Penny?
The pink car is the best!
Penny looks very cool in her pink car. Is one car really better than the other? Penny has an idea. There's going to be a race! Watch out, Penny! Watch out, Pit! Here comes the finish line! Mommy will decide who won.
Cross the finish line together!
Both our cars are good!
It's a tie! Enjoy your trophy! Pit is playing with his toy police car. Penny wants to play too. Oh, Pit. How should a police officer behave? Hello, Officer Pit. Who's that in the bushes? Oh no! Mr. Lemon has taken Penny's doll!
Policeman, my doll was stolen!
Huh? That's who stole the doll!
Do something, Pit! Mr. Lemon is getting away! But Officer Pit is on the case. Watch out for the oil! Pit and Penny are stuck. But not for long. Mr. Lemon, I think you should watch where you're driving.
Thank you, policeman, for saving my favorite doll!
Well done, Officer Pit. Maybe playing with Penny wouldn't be so bad. Have fun!
Oh, there is an emergency! Look out! Pit is a police officer. And Penny is a firefighter. But Penny has an idea. It's nice to share toys. The red light means stop. This car is being naughty. Pit is in the fire truck. Officer Pit will save the day. Pit has the fire hose. I'm not sure this will work. The naughty car splashed Pit. Penny is in the police car. Oh no, there's a fire. And the kitty is trapped. Jump, kitty! Penny is a hero. Penny tries to put out the fire, but it doesn't work. Pit thinks they should swap toys again. Oh no, the naughty car is back. He's going really fast. Officer Pit will stop him. Pit tells the car to stop driving so quickly. And the car can't park here. The car is angry. Good job, Pit. Penny has the fire hose this time. Look, the fire is going out. The kitty has a sore ear. Don't worry, Mommy and Daddy are here. Daddy has special cream to help the kitty. Aw, everyone gets kitty hugs. Kitty is tired after all that excitement. What a great adventure.
The kids are fighting over a toy.
I'll play with the robot!
No!
Here's your toy!
Maybe Mommy can help.
If you can't decide, I can play with the robot.
Pit, Penny, go grab another toy.
Let's play!
Oh no, Mr. Lemon robbed a bank. Penny will stop him. Get him, Pit! Penny's been caught!
Help me!
Pit's been caught too! Who will save them? Mommy will!
Stay here, honey.
Can Mommy stop Mr. Lemon? Of course she can!
Got you.
Careful, kids! Don't bounce too hard! Look! Mr. Lemon is getting away!
No! We lost him! Because of you!
No, it was you!
Mommy has an idea!
We need to catch him together.
Time for some teamwork!
Follow me.
Pit and Penny and Mommy saved the day!
Mom, you got him!
No, we did it together. Now you can take turns playing with the robot.
It's always best to work and play together.
Are you ready for a surprise? It's a toy police car. And there's a badge and a hat, too. Now Pit and Penny can help people.
Police car, can you hear the sound? Wee, wee, wee.
Oh, wee-oo goes the siren.
Has arrived.
Jill's crying.
I've lost my mom. I need
What happened?
help. I've lost.
She can't find her mommy.
Can you keep me safe?
Let's help her.
Police car, can you?
Don't cry, Mommy Cherry.
Wee, wee, wee.
Pit and Penny found Jill.
Police car has arrived.
Anju wants to cross the street, but it's too busy. Pit and Penny can help.
Police car, police.
They'll go over the busy street.
Can you hear the sound? Wee,
It's much safer this way.
the police car has arrived.
Mr. Lemon is speeding. Huh, Officer Pumpkin will catch him. Citron fell down. If someone is hurt, always call an adult.
Police car, can you hear the sound? Wee, wee, wee.
Then everything will be okay.
Police car has arrived. I don't
Lee is lost.
way home, and
She needs help finding her home.
I don't remember my way home. Can you keep me safe? Police
Pit and Penny will follow the map.
car, can you hear the sound? Wee, wee.
Hooray, they made it.
The police car has arrived. My bike
Oops, Azure broke her bike.
broken. I need your help. My bike
Who can fix it?
broken. Can you keep me safe? Police car,
Aha! Officer Pumpkin can.
can you hear the sound? Wee, wee, wee.
The bike is as good as new. See, helping people is so much fun. Pit's playing with his yellow car. And Jill has a red one. But now it's stuck in the mud. Pit has an idea. He can pull it out. Wait, Jill, it's still too muddy.
Red car, vroom, vroom, vroom. Red
Jill needs the potty, but she's afraid of monsters.
around. Baby car,
Time to find that monster.
turn the wheel left and right, all around
Oh, it was just Kitty.
the road. Baby car,
See, there was nothing to be scared of.
go. Blue car, vroom, vroom, vroom. Blue
A ladybug.
speed up.
Don't let Kitty catch it.
Baby car, turn the wheel left and right, all around
Now the ladybug is safe.
the road. Baby car, go, go, go.
It's lunchtime.
Vroom, vroom, vroom. Pink car, speed
Mommy has an idea.
baby car.
It's special delivery spaghetti. Yum.
Turn the wheel left and right, all around, down the road. Baby car, go, go, go.
Oh, Pit, there's none left for Lee.
Orange car,
Mr. Lemon is stealing everything.
orange car, spin around.
Orange car will stop him.
Baby car, turn the wheel
Bye-bye, Mr. Lemon.
and right, all around.
Good job, kids.
Down the road, baby car. Go,
Look, it's a car you can ride in. Yikes! A monster! Whew, it bumped its head. Oh, it was really Daddy! Lemmy wants to race!
Green car, vroom, vroom, vroom. Green car, speed around.
But don't drive too fast!
Baby car, turn the wheel left and right. All around, down the road. Baby car, go,
Slow down!
go.
Phew! Lemmy's safe and sound.
Pit and Penny are making a car out of blocks. Pit adds a gold block. But Penny wants a pink block. Penny thinks a pink car is better. Pit wants a gold one.
Let's have a competition to see whose car wins.
Pit will make a gold car. Penny will make a pink car. Pit, your gold car looks amazing. Let's see Penny's car. Oh, I think it needs some work. Your car needs to look more like Pit's. Kicking the car won't help fix it, Penny. Penny has an idea! First, she'll lure Pit away with a cupcake. Then she'll change the cars with spray paint. Pit's car is pink, Penny's car is gold. Oh, Penny, that's cheating. Time for the competition! Pit knows Penny cheated. Now we can see the gold blocks. And Penny's pink ones.
Penny, that wasn't fair.
Peter worked very hard to make this car.
I'm sorry.
Penny, what can you do to make it better?
I know what to do.
Let's see what Pit and Penny did. They made a gold and pink car. Working together makes them both winners.